you're going to want to remove this screw first. And then slide this out to the bottom. You can just sort of play around with it. It comes off. Okay, you're going to want to put that somewhere safe. So you just have to remove this after this initial one. You can just slide it off. That comes out. This comes loose. And then you have to take this guy out. You want to put your foot here just in case, or leg, knee, and then just slide this out. So that's loose. Then you're going to want to slide it out. Feel it's coming out. There it is. There we go, just a straight pipe. And let's hear it. Wow. If only you could hear that. It's too early to rev it. Adjust the Coffman the way you want to. Then you have an option to remove the baffle. Let's check it out. Alright, here it is. So the only thing I'm concerned about is that it's pretty close to the swing arm. So let me just focus. So it's barely, it's not touching, as you can see. So I'm just wondering if it vibrates, if it would scratch the swing arm. Other than that, I haven't installed the rivet just yet because I don't have the gun. But this is just a test for now. It's very important that you do install that piece because, once again, it's a safety feature and it's also good so it doesn't get stolen. Alright, so let's test it up, start it up, see what it sounds like. Overall, it gives it a much better look. There you go. Let's just do a walk around. It's early in the morning, so I'm not going to rev too much, but it does look much cleaner and much better for sure. Oh yeah.